Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to add recovery mail in Gmail account. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open Gmail application. Here you tap on the profile icon on top right corner. Tap on manage your Google account. Under Google account, there are many sections. You tap on personal info, scroll to the little down. Under contact info, you can see the option of email. You tap on it. At the little down, you can see the recovery email section. Little down of it, you can see add recovery email. Tap on it. For the further process, you need to provide a password first. So go for it. Tap on next. Now here you go in for adding the recovery email address. Here you tap on verify. Gmail has sent a 6-digit code in your recovery email address. You need to go to your mailbox and checking for the mail sent by the Gmail. Now you tap on verify. Recovery email verified. As you can see, recovery email address has been attached in my Gmail account. This is how you can add a recovery email in Gmail. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to add a recovery mail in Gmail account. Thank you.